everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change chat theme on Instagram. Open your Instagram, go to any chat. I open my friend's chat. Now click on his name and tap on theme. Now you can see we have so many options. If I choose like trolls, now my chat theme is changed to trolls. If I okay, you can see there are another options in themes. I tell you one more thing that these themes are continuously updated day by day. Likewise, tomorrow we have new themes. Okay, also we have another colors option, like we can choose decent colors as a theme, or we can simply select default to get back to the original account theme. That's how you can change your chat theme on Instagram. Don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.